How to fix invalid code in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to resolve invalid code issues in Blox Fruits. So it's a simple process, so follow along. When you encounter this error in Blox Fruits, it means that the code you entered is incorrect or no longer active. To check if the code is valid, redeem it through the rewards code window in the game. If you receive an invalid code error, it's likely due to the typo or the code being expired. Unfortunately, there is no workaround for expired codes. To ensure that the code works, double-check for correct spelling, including the special characters, and redeem it within the specified time frame. Remember, once a code expires, it cannot be redeemed again. So this was all about if you can fix the invalid code in the Blox Fruits. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.